Welcome to Vintage Farmhouse Antiques, and we're going to show you these Coalport little coffee cans and saucers. We think these date from late 19th century through to around 1914 on the China mark. So we've got these in two versions, one which is in very fine antique condition and these which we're selling as worn, and we're going to run you over the condition notes on these, which has led us to discount these as antique worn. The pattern on there is still very nice, as you can see on the saucer. Slightly narrower diameter saucer than the earlier ones we listed, which was 5 5/8. These are just under 5.5 inch saucer, and you'll see these on England Coalport AD stamps with leadless glaze on some of them. There is some glaze crazing on these, as you can see here. Just let me show you that if we can get it in the light. Very fine crazing, very little staining, but obviously the glaze has cracked through over the years that this saucer's been used. Not stained on the front, as you can see, nice and clean. Plain rim saucers with the hand applied colour, enamels by the decorators, and the Greek key borders all hand gilded and painted by the decorators. Here's a little coffee can, straight walled or straight sided, slightly flared towards its rim. Coalport leadless glaze marks again on the base, beautifully decorated. Nice bright cups. There is a little bit of antique caffeine or tannine staining in the actual rims, and this is a typical one. You can see here doesn't really show particularly well because the porcelain's so fine that you get the shadows coming through from the transfer decoration on the outer side, but little bits of staining just in the base here, and overall the glaze is slightly yellow as opposed to white. And also on these examples you can see little bits of wear just around the rim, which again is quite typical for the lot. We've got 3 or 4 of these available, and they are being discounted down, so you're not paying the full price that we would be charging for one in cabinet or collector's antique condition. So just examples there of what to expect if you're purchasing these. They're available from the Vintage and Antiques website. Transfer all very nice and bright, but with some antique pattern or wear that we've detailed for you in the course of this video. Link description below will take you through to the website listing where these duos are going on sale today from the United Kingdom. Thanks for watching.